What's up, my dudes and dudettes? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna get back into working on this Jeep. We're gonna do something a little simple today. The mechanical stuff is coming that needs to get fixed. There's a lot of parts I gotta order. It's kind of expensive, so I'm doing it one by one, and then I have to go to the junkyard for some stuff. So we'll get to that eventually. But today we're just gonna do a little spruce up of something, and I'll show you what that is. Yes, if you couldn't tell already, we're gonna be doing something with speakers here. I'll show y'all in a second. One thing we're gonna be doing is, hold on. What we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna be putting two more of these on this side because I have one on the other side over there, but it doesn't work because there's nothing for it to grab onto through this carpet. So this moves, like, look, hold on. Of course I can't do it. It moves all over the place, and so I'm gonna put another two of these on this side to hold it in place because I'm tired of it going all over the place and getting all over here. I don't know how these leaves got in here. Like, I really don't know how. I'm also gonna get a vacuum, and while it's out, I'm gonna clean all this out and everything too. And then the other thing we're gonna do is, hold on, is I'm going to take this out and I'm going to put it here, and we're gonna paint it. I have a whole box of good old handy bit dandy PlastiDip. I was going to like actually sand it down, paint it properly with proper spray paint and everything like that, but in essence of time, I don't have time for that. PlastiDip will work fine, it will look good, so that's what we're gonna do. But I got stencils because I'm gonna put Jeep on the top of it, and then I got these because it has the @ symbol in there, and I'm gonna use those. I'm gonna put KJM Garage on the corner of it. And then I got one more thing here. The brackets for the back, which we'll do once we put it back in. I was going to take the speakers out, but the wiring diagram for those speakers is perfect right now, and I don't want to take them out and forget and wire it wrong and they sound stupid. So I'm just gonna tape all around them and keep them in there for now. So that's what we're doing today. So let's get to pulling it out and getting to work. All right? Okay. Alright, we got it inside. It's a lot heavier than I remembered. That's probably why my traction's so good back there. It's like 50 pounds in my trunk. But I got it out. We're all good to go. No matter what I do, I am terrible at masking. I don't understand why. Like I said, we're gonna paint it black with PlastiDip, then white for the lettering on top here, and then I'm gonna put my @ down here. I'm gonna switch to the GoPro to record like time lapse and stuff like that because I don't want the overspray to get on my good camera. So let's switch to the GoPro. Alright guys, I thought you were tired of seeing time lapses, so I just went and did all the work off camera and finished this up just to show you guys what the finished product looks like. Looks like crap if I'm honest, but here you go. This is what it looks like. I will be honest, I should have not used PlastiDip. I forgot how bad PlastiDip is on wood. This, metal, wheels, chrome, anything like that, you're fine, you're good. Put enough coach, you're good. Wood does not work with PlastiDip. It didn't finish smoothly, like you can tell where I was going like this and like this and like this and like this, and it doesn't stick very well to wood. Like I can literally go like this right now and it will come up. Ugh, I'm so mad, but the Jeep looks good. I like the Jeep. Decided not to go with the KJM on the corner because it was just too difficult to do, and I already put new brackets in. It's into the wheel cover instead of the carpet, so it actually screws and locks in. This shit is not going anywhere now. It's already wired up. I haven't tested to make sure we're still good. I think it's working. Alright guys, well that's it. That's all we got for today. Just wanted to paint this box because it's from my old Jeep that I haven't had for like 3 years. It still matched my old Jeep and everything like that. So I wanted to give it a little refresh to match this one and make it look good. Even though it doesn't actually look good, it looks like crap because PlastiDip sucks on wood, like I said. But for right now, this will do. It matches this Jeep. So that's what matters. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, KJM Garage, as you know. Twitter if you want to, KJM Garage, as you know. Like, comment, and subscribe as usual. My hair is terrible, I know. I'm gonna get it cut off, so look forward to that. I will check y'all in the next video. Yeah, that's it. Bye. What the hell? I just found $40 underneath my seat.